Oh yeah. Palitag isda para panihapon. I got my fish. Okay. So now I got my fish now. 180 for 1 kilo. We'll put vinegar and more onions and garlic. Unfortunately, the big fish are gone, so small one now, but not so small. It's okay. So it's okay. I will cook it later. You want donut? Huh? You want donut? You want donut? Donut? You want donut? You want donut? Donut, donut. Come here, come here. Come here. Okay. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Bell. Wah. No more. Bill. Lah si Inday.
Babay day.
Hello Inday.
Babay day.
So,
Kaya mangihi ko. Bakal. Ngayon, magsbayad pagkatao ko.
spilling.
Nakita ko na.
All the people around the world can see you. So talk to the camera. Say, Inday. So I got fish for dinner tonight.
2 hours later.
Yeah. It's already 6 months and we bought that one. So now it's already empty. So I'm going to make a mano like old stuff. Yeah. There's a firewood. Yes, start fire now. So we'll put the pot here so that we can cook the fish and with vinegar. So this one is the fish. I will show you the fish. Huh? Yeah, you see it. That's already with garlic and oil, and also vinegar. So I will put it here now. Guys, it's hot here. I just started my daily vlog, and hopefully you like it. Just comment below if you want, if you don't like it or whatever I can do with my vlogs. Why did he speak English? So I speak English now because I want to learn more about English. I'm not good about English, but one thing I like about is if you speak English, I think I feel better. I feel better in vlogging and something like vlogging in public. I feel better like talking English because I can see people is watching on me, and I can't stop laughing, and they can't also stop laughing at me what I am doing because English as is not as good as they are. So I like my English that's good. Today, if you like my channel, go like, subscribe. So don't subscribe, man, and click the bell so that one day I upload another video, you will be notified. You'll be the first person to you're the first person to see and like and everything you want about this video. So now I'm planning to have a tutorial about Japanese language maybe this week. So I have only 1 week to study it because later, soon, you'll see my video on YouTube because we were going somewhere. So if you guys know what is Japanese language, just comment below. Look at my fire, it's burning now. It's very strong, man. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go click that button, subscribe channel, and click that bell to get notification. I'm sweating here, so just enjoy my video, guys. Whee! Oh hey! Yes! Wow! Sizzling hot, man. Ducks of the fish with vinegar. Yeah, I love this one. Kain tayo. Okay guys, let's eat. Let's try this one. Fish with vinegar with this is not rice. This is corn, white corn. Actually, the corn is better than rice because the corn has low sugar, or very less sugar. Focus, no good. That's it. So guys, if you're new here, just leave some comments or anything you want, or just subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button. So if I'm not biking, I stay here at home. So when I stay here home, I buy fish and cook like this. So now you see what's my favorite food here, with garlic and some spices. So if you want secret ingredients with me, just comment below. I will put my details there. So okay guys, I continue eating. I will end this video and make it so good.